Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites: account, launcher, and basic assets, because those let you publish. First, sign into Melon and verify your email, then install the Melon Sandbox launcher and update to the current runtime. Once done, prepare your avatar, a 512 x 512 icon, and a concise bio. These items speed up the creation flow, so you avoid backtracking. Make sure to enable two-factor authentication if offered. It protects creator tools and publication access. Now you build in the Sandbox editor. Create a creator project and select the template that matches your content type, because templates set correct defaults. Then import avatar files, materials, and textures, and set scale, collision bounds, and animation route so interactions behave correctly. Next, fill metadata fields, title, tags, age rating, and permissions, so discovery and safety filters work. Once configured, run a local preview, and step through interactions to catch visual or physics issues before packaging. Finally, export your package and run the built-in validator. This catches missing assets and metadata faults, which prevents rejection. After validation, publish as draft and run a private session to verify animations, collisions, and permissions behave live. Once satisfied, promote to public. If something goes wrong, crashes, missing textures, or permission errors, check the editor logs, revert to the previous working build, and reapply changes stepwise. If needed, contact Melon support with log excerpts for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.